691025 Pa'oa Way, Kamuela, $18.9 million. Now, imagine waking up every single morning to a view like this. You could sip your morning coffee with your feet in a heated pool while watching the sun rise over Maui. Well, for $18.9 million you could. 691025 Pa'oa Way in Kamuela is listed for $18.9 million. And it isn't just the view that's earned it that high price tag. This 4-bedroom, 4-bath home is 5,600 square feet of luxury. The home comes with 7 flat-screen televisions, an indoor-outdoor music system, custom-crafted granite countertops, and a minimalist modern design throughout the home. Of course, the exterior of the home is where it really shines. There is 300 feet of ocean frontage that can be reached by taking a private path down to the white sand beaches. After a day of snorkeling, surfing, and sunbathing, mere feet from your home, you can take the path back and relax by your pool. The heated infinity pool offers an opportunity to swim when you just aren't feeling saltwater. Of course, the area is perfectly curated to host incredible parties, with a built-in fire pit, hot tub, and a large bar with a grill. Even better, the bar comes with a tap, so you can serve up yourself or your guests whatever their hearts desire.